tool that you can use in any of your classes, Google Earth. This is a great tool because, as you can see, there is the Earth, and you can pinpoint any point on the map that you can find. You can use this for lit trips, like I have in the past, or in a history class about a specific area in the world, or a geography class for any specific monument or landmark or city. So, a few things before you get started with Google Earth that you have to know is if you are going to plan a trip, the very best thing to do is to add a new folder. So what you can do for that is you can go up to your bar here and you can add a folder. So go to Add, pull down to Folder. Now this will give you an untitled folder, and you can title it whatever you would want. Click OK, and you'll see your folder appear on the side. This is great if you want to add images or if you want to add pinpoints. Today, for the purpose of explanation, I would like to take you on a little trip to Ireland. So to do that, you want to type in Ireland up in your search bar, right up here, and click Search. And the world will start to turn until you reach Ireland. Ta-da! Okay, so when I moved to Ireland in my senior year, the spring of my senior year, I lived there for 4 months. I lived in a little place called Sandymount. Let's see if we can find it. Sandymount, Ireland. Now if we can find it, it's going to zero in. There is Sandymount. Now what's great about this is you can see where the train is, and you also can see little drop-down pictures. So this was the town square that was in Sandymount, and obviously the pictures that they took of it were at Christmas time. They have snow, we do not. I'm bummed. So you can do pictures like that, or you can also pinpoint this with a big yellow thumbtack looking icon. And you can write Sandymount, spell it right. You can add an image. Now, to add an image, you can go onto Google Chrome and Google Sandymount, Ireland. Do a Google search. Yes, that's what I meant. And go to Images. And I like this image. This was a fantastic little pub that I used to go to quite a bit, Ryan's, and do my homework. So then all you have to do is copy the image and paste the URL in here and click OK. And so when you double click it, it should come up, or the URL should come up if it was working properly. So that is one way that you can tag a place and have an image put into that place if you can do it properly, like I just did not or it didn't work. So another place that I really liked to travel to was Galway in Ireland. So then you can just type in Galway and it will take you across the country. And what's really great about this is you can see there's a bed and breakfast here, the little bed. And again, you have images of Galway. And that is exactly what it looked like. And sometimes they will have several images. And really, Google Earth is great because getting an image into the Google Earth can be a little persnickety, I found. So if you can just find their images, that's great. Well, I hope you enjoyed a brief tour of part of my trip to Ireland. I lived there, like I said, I lived there for 4 months, and I really enjoyed it, and it was a lot of fun. So that's kind of a brief, quick introduction to the world of Google Earth. I'm sure this is a great tool to use, and I'm sure that as you use it, you learn more about it, which is another fantastic item about Google Earth. And again, just it's great for projects, it's great for lit trips, it's great to show, you know, your students, oh, I'm taking you on a tour of World War II and the World War II battles, and take them, you know, overseas for the people who have never been to Europe or Spain. They can go, sort of. So I hope you enjoy, and thank you very much.